guys, it is Tuesday, so that means it is lab time. You can try it at home. So today we're going to come up with some new lab activities that deal with density. Last week we reviewed how density means how tightly packed things like the atoms, the molecules, and things are within a liquid. Today we're going to do it with a gas. So density can actually change with gas just like it can with a liquid. So when things are more dense, they're going to sink. When they're less dense, they're going to float. So today we have two activities we're going to do with that with baking soda and vinegar. So you guys probably know about baking soda and vinegar being used to make volcanoes. But today instead we're going to be using it to practice making some carbon dioxide, which has a different density than just the regular oxygen that we're breathing. So we are going to start off, we're going to have two projects. The first one is this video. We're going to be making a baking soda and vinegar, so make sure you have your vinegar and your baking soda. If your parents say it's okay. Your baking soda probably comes in like a little small box, like a square cardboard box, but my husband buys a lot of this because we make a lot of different things with baking soda. So you're going to need a plastic baggie, your baking soda and vinegar. You need a measuring cup, and you need a measuring spoon. Now, I am unsure of how tightly packed these little bags are, so you want one that can zip closed to be safe. If it doesn't zip closed, then it's not going to work, okay? If you don't have that, that's fine. You can just watch the experiment. If you do have it, great. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to have my bag sit down right now with my stuff. I'm going to need my measuring spoon. When I open my baking soda, hold on just a second. Matt, can you open the baking soda? I can't get it open. I thought I cut it. I'm going to make a little pouch using toilet paper of baking soda. So I need to get 1 tablespoon. Tablespoon is the TBL. He's opening our baking soda. It's a new bag. I need 1 tablespoon of baking soda. And I'm going to make a little pouch out of toilet paper for my baking soda. Thank you. You guys remember Mr. Wade, my husband? Okay. So I have 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and I'm going to put it here in my toilet paper. And I'm going to fold my toilet paper over to make a little pouch for it. Because I don't want my baking soda coming out of this pouch until I'm ready for it to come out. See, I've made a little pouch for my baking soda. Okay? Now I'm going to close my baking soda, set it to the side for now. Okay? Next I'm going to need 1/3 cup of vinegar. So 1/3 cup. So you're looking for the 1-3, remember? That's about 75 milliliters if you're using your graduated cylinder. So I'm pouring this in and making sure it's level at 1/3 cup. Vinegar smells really, really gross to me. Some people like the smell. To me, it's really gross. I'm going to set my vinegar down to make sure it's out of the way. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pour my vinegar into my baggie. And I need to be very, very careful when I'm putting my baking soda in here that they don't mix yet until I get this completely sealed off. So Matt, will you come help me with this? He was holding our dog. It was really cute. So he's going to set this. You may need somebody to help you. Hold it to the side. I'm going to set this on. I'm not going to let them mix yet. I'm going to close it and zip it up as fast as I can. Oh, God. Okay. And if you can see, it's going to start, we're going to shake it up here. It's going to start dissolving, and something's going to happen to my bag. So if you guys can see, the gas is expanding, and my bag here is expanding, even though it's closed. Now, if you put too much of this in here, your bag is going to explode. So make sure you keep something under it, just like a pan or a table or something, because if you hold it and it explodes, it's going to splash on your face. So we can see that this gas that it's creating here, this carbon dioxide, is filling the space. We know that gas will fill the space that it's in, right? Now, carbon dioxide has a different type of density than oxygen. So we're going to test this carbon dioxide here. You can see what's happened to my bag. It's expanded. It's filling the space, right? We're going to now test the density of this carbon dioxide. So I'm going to do that here. I actually don't have a lighter. Can you grab me a lighter? I'm going to do that here with, oh dear gosh. Okay. Have a parent help you with a match or a lighter to light something. So your second part of this, I'm going to set this over to the side for a second. Okay. You're going to need 2 cups, and we're going to have